I'm meteorologist Herman City. This is Friday's forecast, and it's madness time coming up here. Look at this yesterday. Severe weather yesterday across the Tennessee Valley. A couple tornadoes up here in Illinois. And then the storms that rolled through produced a lot of strong winds across parts of Tennessee. A lot of wind damage in terms of trees being blown down and tree limbs being blown down yesterday. And we may see that in the Mid-Atlantic states today, as that system that was down in here has moved up into the Appalachians right now, and so we may see some thunderstorms today that can produce some damaging wind gusts and hail. All right, there's our coastal storm way out here. Remember, it was supposed to be more to the coast. Now it's way out here. GFS models, garbage. And behind this, basically, we're going to be in a ridge out here and a trough in the eastern part of the country for the next 2 weeks, which means the COOL weather will continue, and the heat will be confined down to the desert southwest. And there will be occasional surges of heat coming up through the plain states here, right between the two. Okay? All right, radar-wise this morning, you see the showers and thunderstorms already from North Carolina up into Pennsylvania. There's going to be a little bit of snow over the high country today. It's cold out there. It's 41 degrees up in Mansfield. There was frost on the ground. I saw a picture of that from my buddy Chrissy up there, who has a farm. And let's see here, a little close-up shot. You can see those showers and thunderstorms moving into western PA. They'll enhance into some thunderstorms today as they move into the Mid-Atlantic states. And the radar surface map today shows that coastal lows developing out here. This band of showers and thunderstorms right here, another one back in here. So there's two areas of showers and thunderstorms, some severe. Even snow back here through the northern Rocky Mountains with the system that's coming through. But overall, the trend is for chilly weather right through the weekend. And tomorrow we still got these showers still going on out here. And then rain, hot air is going to try to come northward through Texas. Severe weather will break out through Kansas, and then eventually on Sunday it'll break out over here. We'll talk about that, but a lot of rain's going to break out and start to head eastward, and even some snow up here in the northern plain states as well. Just an ugly weather pattern. I keep telling you, folks, it's ugly. All right, this is my severe weather map I have out. Going to be some storms up in Kansas, and then morph into more of a squall line on Sunday through the Mississippi Valley. It's like the same old story. You know, it starts in Kansas, moves in, and becomes bigger as it goes into the Mississippi Valley. And that's been the trend all year. And you can see the SPC boys, they got their area out here, and then they got another area down here through the lower Mississippi Valley. It's kind of like they could just take the same graphics and keep using them day and day and day because it's the same pattern. All right. For the Mid-Atlantic states, I think there's a band of thunderstorms out here through Kentucky and eastern Ohio. Then we got another band of thunderstorms here from central PA into the Delmarva region and the Chesapeake Bay area that can produce some hail and gusty wind, hail and gusty winds today. And the HRR simulator model certainly shows the areas of thunderstorms coming through today. You know, anytime you get these troughs in May, remember, the sun's getting high in the sky. We're getting close to the summer solstice. So heating goes on and it just bubbles up into thunderstorms, okay? And that's the issue. It stays cold aloft. The sun beats on the ground and sends bubbles of hot air up, and they form into thunderstorms, and then you got yourself some thunderstorms going on with hail and gusty winds. All right, any changes coming? Yeah, the blocking pattern appears, as of yesterday, okay, appears that it's going to go more toward neutral, which means we could finally break out of this. The PNA is going negative, and the AL is going neutral. So this is finally some indications that we may get into a warmer weather pattern as we head through the later part of May across the eastern part of the country. It'll stay cool. That's why I looked at the GFS this morning and I went, really? Really? Probably not going to happen the way it says. We're probably going to go more toward heat coming, which is what the European model is indicating more of. That heat's going to come back in the eastern part of the country. It's going to take a little bit to get there. Not going to come right away. It's going to take a little bit. What is this for? This is Sunday evening. We got rain stretching from the Mid-Atlantic states and thunderstorms back here through the Mississippi Valley. And, some of you folks here through the High Valley and the Appalachians, Mid-Atlantic, just sit back, watch a movie Sunday. It's going to be cool rain, ugly weather. Ugh. This is chilly weather up here. Cool. All right. Then we might have a little bit of snow to deal with out here in the front range of the Rocky Mountains. So the next system starts to form. Again, it stays cool for the northern plains to the northeast next week. That front is way down here now. There's kind of a cold front. So cool weather's getting pretty far south. Your hot weather's out here. And then we have another coastal storm coming up later next week we have to deal with here, which is going to bring more rain, more rain, more rain. Okay? But, like I said, there's warm air starting to sneak in behind all this troughiness here. So I think this is going to move out. The ridge is going to kind of flatten itself over like this, and we're finally going to get heat starting to build up as we build out of this whole mess of a cool weather pattern we've been in since April. Seems like it's been a long time. Getting tired of it. All right? It's kind of like, you shouldn't complain because it's not bad. It's just, I think we all want to have some heat to sit out inside and enjoy, especially if you're living in the northern tier of the country where it's been chilly. All right, that's it for the Friday. I'm meteorologist Harry Mark City.